Good day, students. Today, our topic is all about trigonometric ratios, or the first three trigonometric ratios. But before that, let's discuss the three parts of a right triangle. So we have the hypotenuse, okay? The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. Then, like for example, we put an angle here or angle A. So, we have the adjacent and the opposite angle. But, if we use angle B, this one is the adjacent. And this one is the opposite side. Vice versa. The opposite side and adjacent will change. It depends on the angle used. Okay? Okay, since we use angle A, the opposite side is here and the adjacent is here. So our topic, or in this chapter, we're going to study the first three trigonometric ratio or trigonometric function, which is sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, in sine, the formula in finding the sine is opposite side over or divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side can also represent by OPP, and hypotenuse can also represent by HPT. Okay, then cosine, the formula in cosine we have adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and in tangent we have adjacent divided by opposite side, or in shortcut we have SOHCAHTOA. The SOHCAHTOA, the sine, opposite, hypotenuse. Formula for sine. Then formula for cosine. Cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. In tangent, we have tangent, opposite over adjacent. So we have a given a right triangle. We have hypotenuse, which is 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 11 centimeter. Then we need to find the sine A. Since we're going to find sine A, we put an angle here. So let's use the formula, which is opposite side. The opposite side of this angle is 10. And the hypotenuse is 12. The longest side is 12. Okay? So the sine opposite hypotenuse. So, in sine A, we have 10. Since 10 is the opposite side and 12 is the hypotenuse, we need to simplify our answer. So, to simplify 10 over 12, we need to divide it by 2 over 2. So, 10 over 12 divided by 2 over 2 is 5 over 6. Therefore, sine A is equal to 5 over 6 centimeter. Next, sine B, or we're going to find the sine B. So, the angle will locate here, and the opposite side of B is 11, not 10, okay? Then the hypotenuse is 12. It's always 12. So, sine, the formula for sine opposite over hypotenuse, or the SO. So, sine B is equal to 11 over 12. The opposite side is 11 and the hypotenuse is 12. So, our answer is already on the simplest form. So, sine B now is equal to 11 over 12 centimeter. Next, let's have the cosine A. For the formula, we have adjacent over hypotenuse, which is ka. So, the adjacent is 11 and the hypotenuse is 12. So cosine A is equal to 11 over 12 centimeter. So next, let's find the cosine B. So the angle should be there. Then the formula adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine B now is equal to 10 over 12. So simplify our answer, divide it by 2 over 2. So cosine B is equal to 5 over 6 centimeter. Next, let's have the tangent A. Okay, so A, since we're finding A, tangent, the formula of tangent is opposite side over adjacent. So TOA, which is opposite side adjacent. So the opposite side is 10 and the adjacent is 11. So therefore, tangent A is equal to 10 over 11 centimeter. Next, let's have tangent B. So tangent is equal to opposite side over adjacent, which is TOA, or tan B now is equal to 11 over 10 centimeters since the opposite side is equal to 11 and the adjacent is equal to 10. So tan B is equal to 11 over 10 centimeters. And that's it for the first three trigonometric ratios, which is sine, cosine, and tangent. Remember that the formula or the shortcut formula is SOHCAHTOA. And thank you for listening. Let's call it a day. Goodbye, students!